In Web3, new platforms are emerging that are reshaping how we create, own, and share media. One of the most talked about is Zora. But what exactly is it? Why does it matter? And what can you actually do on it? Let's break it down. Zora is a decentralized protocol and a platform for creating, minting, and trading NFTs. It was built as alternative to centralized marketplace like OpenSea. The main core idea: so any piece of media can be tokenized and owned by the creator or their community, not their platform. Why do we need the Zora? Zora provides tools for creators and communities too. Mint NFTs without a complex coding. Sell directly to your fans. Receive royalties automatically. Own and control their content in Web3 instead of relying on corporations. And yes, guys, this is why the Web3 is so important now. If you're a content creator, if you build a brand now in Web2, I highly recommend you step by step join the Web3 platforms and start in 2025, 2026, start build the brand, build your brand name in Web3. Why Zora matters for Web3? So Zora is open source protocol, meaning anyone can build apps on top of it. It's not just a marketplace, it's a like Web3 infrastructure already being used for DAOs, artists, musicians, and communities. Imagine the big picture. Web3 isn't only about finance. Zora brings culture, art, memes, and creativity into crypto space, and soon, with all tokenization around the world, we'll see the same purpose of these Web3 platforms in our daily routine life. What actually you can do on Zora? Imagine you're the content creator, you're an artist, you can create an art, you can create a music, you can create just a basic lifestyle content. You can mint NFTs, photo, video, music, text, even just your own memes. Launch collections and campaigns like NFT drops or community airdrops. So you build your brand name around and you can treat your fan base with some NFT airdrops. Create DAOs and communities funded through NFTs. Use Zora as a Web3 social layer. Tokenize tweets, posts, or memes. Build your own marketplace using Zora APIs and open source tools. Here's some real examples for everybody around. Imagine musicians release tracks directly as NFTs to fans. So you can monetize even from scratch your content. You own 100%. You own it and you get money for it. DAOs distributing NFTs passes to the members. Digital artists minting work and receiving the royalties on every resale. So you don't need to pay the labels. You don't need to pay the art collectors, or you don't need to pay, the publisher. If you just even create books, we need just basic wallet. I already showed you how to create your first crypto wallet. So basically, let's choose this wallet with some money. Maybe we need to pay some to mint the NFTs. So to log in or sign up, you just can continue with email, but I recommend you, all the time use the wallet. So I choose other wallets, use the MetaMask. We connect our wallet to Zora, sign into verification. This does not indicate any transaction or cost any fees. We just log into Zora account. The email, complete the account. We need to set up the username. Let's say chess for light. This one, chess for light. I love to play the chess. So I don't want to receive the emails. Create account. So to this account, especially to this wallet, if I will lose access to this wallet, I will lose access to my Zora account. So that's the point of Web3. Connect the wallet, connect your social account. All right, activate what we need. Your profile, your coin. Activate your created coin. Your paths are available. Now your profile is 2. Your username is a coin. Buying your coin is now fast. Show support for your profile. Post power your created coin. The more your posts are bold, the more valuable your creator coin becomes. Earn rewards and all trade activity. All right, activate. The Web3 world is just so early. Nice one. I need to add some Web2 socials, all right? Anyway, I will add it later. Let's try to post some content, right? So make post, the captions, post. So here are the first page. Market capitalization now 0, creators earning zeros. You can buy this post, for example, and here's the holders. So I own like 1% of this piece. Nice. I can check the stats. Market capitalization now of this video is $1. Got it. And we go into the wallet. When somebody buying and made a transaction with my content, I can see the balance here. So this is the beauty of the Web3. This picture from this account, 52 minutes, costs now $97 and bought by Crashy and others. Wow, 8.3K followers. It's just mind-blowing. Take a look, the guys just buying this just basic picture for 49 cents, for 44 cents, $1.56, $1.48. I highly recommend you join in now into Web3 because it's so brilliant time to join in. And on the main page, of course, we can scroll down, check the posts, and you can post whatever. Zora is more than a marketplace. It's infrastructure for the Web3 culture. It gives the creators the freedom, builds a new ownership economy, and unlocks the creative side of crypto. If you're into NFTs or the Web3, this is definitely a platform to watch. Guys, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe channel. Link to Zora will be under the description below. See you next time, guys.